we get hurt and feel all too much, all too often. But the one person we often continue and keep resenting is ourselves. And by having a more centric focus on ourselves, we're not neglecting others, nor ignoring their feelings, nor resenting anyone, but understanding others through a deeper understanding of ourselves. With growing comes a bigger sense to what's inside of us, understanding that what's inside and how we feel reflects how it felt for others, and understanding that we can release and take better management of our own body, our own pains and the emotions trapped inside, that we can learn to not only release ourselves but further understanding, and maybe even help someone else in their own release. That's what brain healing can do. That's what it can do for an empath like you.